Meet Samantha Taylor, the heart and soul behind Austin's beloved Sugary Delights Bakery. Each morning, she dusts her apron with flour, ready to create what she loves most, vibrant cupcakes and mouth-watering pastries that keep the crowds coming. Her bakery, nestled in the bustling streets of Texas, isn't just a shop, it's a sweet haven receiving glowing reviews. Despite her success, Samantha faces personal challenges, grappling with weight issues, constantly feeling drained, and battling health concerns that make her wonder about the cost of her sweet enterprise. At the height of a heated baking competition, disaster strikes for Samantha. Mid-creation, she collapses, her world fading to black. The next thing she knows, she's in a hospital bed, the steady beep of machines in her ears. The diagnosis hits hard, her love for sugary treats has taken a toll on her health. Wrestling with shock and fear, Samantha finds an ally in Dr. Henry Loft, a dietitian who gently introduces her to the ketogenic diet. As he outlines the benefits and the sweeping changes it would mean, Samantha feels a spark of hope amidst her uncertainty. Samantha's venture into the world of keto marks a drastic shift. Trading sugar for substitutes isn't just a change in ingredients, it's a reinvention of her craft. The keto flu hits hard, leaving her exhausted as cravings for her beloved cupcakes surge. In her kitchen, early attempts at keto-friendly desserts often end in frustration, unable to meet her high standards. Doubts circle as friends question her drastic diet change. Yet, Samantha is resolute, pouring every ounce of her baking prowess into mastering these new, healthy recipes, determined to overcome and transform. From the whirlwind of struggle emerges a triumphant Samantha, who not only transforms her health but also her bakery. Her new line of keto desserts becomes a sensation, drawing the attention of national health food stores. Samantha's relentless effort pays off in her glowing health and boundless energy, inspiring a community shift towards healthier living. Her bakery, once a temple of sugar, now stands as a beacon for healthy indulgence. As she conducts a workshop on healthy baking, Samantha shares her journey, lighting the path for others with her revamped, delightful culinary creations.